This is the Skoda Fabia MK3, and if you need to turn off the front airbag, this one, in order to install a child seat on this seat, the child seat where the child seat's looking at the rear end of your car, you need to turn on this airbag in this case, because otherwise, as the sticker says, your child will fly around the car if even minor accident happens and this airbag deploys. So it's very important to turn it off. Actually, it's not recommended to install it in the first place, but if you need to do this, here is the switch for the passenger airbag, and you will just need your key. You will need to insert this key. Now you see this switch is on the on position, and this is where it should be. You need to insert the key, or actually a screwdriver or whatever else, and move it here, and now it's off. And what else you need to do, you need to turn on the ignition and make sure that this says off, airbag off, passenger airbag off. And in all other cases, when there is no child seat here, you need to put it back on and then turn on the ignition and make sure that your passenger airbag is on.